Hey LBC, hey parents, hey students, hope you guys are doing well. We have a video we're going to show you with our phase two rollout, but we hope you're all doing good. We wanted to include everyone in this video because they miss you too. Say hi, guys.
Hey!
All right, so what we're going to be talking about is our phase two rollout at LBC, our distance learning plan. And coming to you now live and in charge right now is Mr. Harding. He's going to go over our distance learning plan for the week coming up for you.
Hello, everyone. First of all, before I get started through this, I wanted to say what an honor and privilege it has been being here at LBC. I feel like you guys have welcomed me like family, and you feel like family to me. So I'm going to miss you all very much, but I'm still in the county, so you can reach out and email me. Whatever you need to do, if you need me, I can be there for you. So thank you very much to the teachers, the staff, obviously Mr. Spadero, Ms. Harvey, Mr. Rogers, all the staff and students. Thank you very much for welcoming me into your family. All right, for the distance learning plan for the week. So obviously we have spring break coming up, April 6th through 10th for teachers and students. We want our teachers to rest. We want our students to rest. Don't look at your work. Just focus on your family and your health. All right, when we come back from spring break on Monday, April 13th, essential personnel will organize packets for planned distribution. So we'll have people in the school organizing the packets so we can distribute those in a well oiled manner for you guys. On Tuesday, April 14th, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., we will have the opportunity for you to pick up your Phase 2 learning packets as well as drop off your Phase 1 learning packets if you have not already turned them in to your teacher through Schoology or an attachment in an email. So we're going to be practicing proper social distancing and safety precautions through that process. Also, expectations for teachers during distance learning, just so that we're transparent, keep you informed of what the expectations are for our teachers through this e-learning time period we're in. We're going to maintain the office hours Monday through Friday. Hours the teachers will be available are 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then again 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. each day, Monday through Friday. Office hours will be held through ComSync platforms that are established through your teacher. They'll let you know their preference. And teachers should have contact with each student parent depending on child's age once per week per students. For the middle school level, they should be contacting you at least once per week. And that's through emails, telephone call, through your cell, teleconferencing, through a Remind app. There's various ways that can be accomplished. And all these will be maintained on a log so that we're just keeping track and making sure everyone is accounted for. So now I'm going to bring in Mr. Rogers for student expectations.
All right, thank you, Mr. Harding. All right, some student expectations during distant learning. Students should complete assignments based on their daily calendars for each subject. So inside the packet, there's a daily calendar. You want to complete those assignments based on those calendars. Students should read daily and maintain a reading log. Students in grades 6 through 8 should complete their daily exact path Ed-Minimum lessons as indicated on the daily calendar if internet access is available. We understand some people may not have internet access, but if you do, please complete their daily exact path Ed-Minimum lessons. Communicate. This is a key. We know this is new territory for everybody. We have to communicate, so please communicate with your teachers a minimum of once per week through Schoology or whatever platform requested by the teacher. So email, Remind, what works for you is great. Just make sure you're touching base with your teacher so they know that you're on the right path and can help with anything that you need help with. Students should submit paper copies of assignments when they return to school or at packet pickup for Phase 2 on April 14th. Online submissions can be made at any time based on the teacher's request. So if you submit it online, you do not have to turn in the hard copy. But if you don't turn it online, you need to turn in that hard copy on April 14th. Each student will be provided a distance learning packet for Phase 2 on April 14th. Packets will be organized by grade level and or course depending on the level. All packets will be available online on the central website, on the Aiken County website, with the exception of IT Fundamentals and Spanish 1. those hard copies have to be picked up on April 14th. So if you have Spanish 1 or IT Fundamentals, make sure you pick up your hard copy on April 14th. All other packets are available electronically on the Aiken County website. So you can pick them up on April 14th here at the school or online on the Aiken County website. Packets will be collected at the end of distance learning for grading purposes. All right, now I'm going to turn it over.
Thanks, Mr. Rogers. Go over grading real quick for the second semester. Our Aiken County School District students will receive that's 1 grade for the entire spring semester. Quarter 3 grade will serve as an interim grade. Parents may still access student grades in Power School Parent Portal to see how your children are performing. If you need assistance with establishing a Parent Portal account, please reach out to your child's school. Please call us or visit the website right here to create a Parent Portal account to access your child's grades. And again, please continue working on your distance learning packet, students, and please continue communicating with your teachers so you can receive full credit for the second semester this year. And now I'm going to turn it over to Miss Harvey.
Hey guys, we miss you a lot. I wanted to talk a little bit about how we're going to drop off and pick up. We're going to use the car line just like we did last time. Please bring your Phase 1 packets with you, and we'll collect those. As you go through the car line, we'll give you your second packet, and then you can head on out. Please don't park and get out of your car. We're trying to adhere to all the social distancing protocols. Make sure you just stay in the car line. We'll get to you. We'll take your packet and give you your new one and answer any questions that you might have. There'll be a few of us around to kind of help with that as needed. And now, I guess we're about ready to wrap it up. So, hope to see you guys soon. We miss you guys. We love you guys. And make sure you stay in touch with your teachers and let us know if you need anything.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Take care.